I think this is actually more than enough just to give you a little glimpse about that how does image processing happen. Okay, so let me just revise the concept for you. Okay, so what you have understood from this video, you have know about how to load the image. Okay, then you have know about like how to convert the image into the RGB format, or let's say other than RGB format, whatever the image format you have. Okay, you know how to convert it into the RGB format using a CV2 library. Okay, then other thing is that you know how to crop the image. Okay, you know how to resize the image, correct? You know how to increase the brightness of the image, you know how to decrease the brightness of the image, right? You know how to do the gray scaling of the image. Okay, you know how to do the edge detection of the image. Not the edge detection, like you wanted to like define the edge, okay, from this very contrastive image, you wanted to like take out the edges, okay, for your own case study. You already know this thing. Okay, so these things are very basic libraries, which is I think more than enough, okay, to actually like make yourself a good image processing slash computer vision engineer. Okay, so image draw, you know, image font, you know, image enhance, you know, right? And whatever the things that I've already loaded. Okay, I will actually share this entire notebook, right, so that you can actually try it by yourself. Even like if you Google it out and do the chat GPT, you will get a lot more different very interesting libraries. You can actually ping it before like in below, and actually do let me know that what are the other interesting image pre-processing libraries that you actually find it out, right? So you know about all these things. So this is just a basic glimpse just to let you know that how good the image processing is needed. Okay, how like really it is needed in an industry, right? So that next we carry forward to our again the same lecture. We will going to do the image detection, object detection part, then the training part, then let's say the visualize the training part, right? And other thing, we are going to do so many exciting things above like from this. Okay, so this is just 2 or 3% I wanted to show you. Okay, thank you.